Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to charge your Dell Chromebook 3400. So, to charge our device, we need a USB-C cable coming from the AC adapter of our laptop, and it has to be inserted into the USB-C port meant to be used for charging your device, which is located right here. Unfortunately, we don't have the charging indicator. We only have the power indicator, which lights when the device is turned on, but no separate charging indicator. So we cannot really tell whether the device is being charged properly. But if you do everything right, it definitely will. So the USB-C cable goes straight to our AC adapter. So in order to charge your device properly, make sure that all the connections are well seated. The original AC adapter, it actually has a charging indicator on it, and it provides your device with, it has a capacity of 65 watts. However, this is more than your device technically needs. If you have a substitute adapter that provides about 40 watts that has a capacity of 40 watts, it should be enough to charge your device. So just make sure that your AC adapter is properly connected to the outlet, and this way your device will be you can be sure that your device is charged properly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.